Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you will be safe and healthy at your homes. Students, you are heartily welcomed in Mrs. Monica Sharma's maths class. Today, I will teach you regarding rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Students, be ready, take your notebooks and pencils with you. Here we start. Yes, friends, today's topic is round of the numbers nearest 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Firstly, what is the meaning of the word round off? See examples. In a music concert, there were 1575 audience in the auditorium. We say that there were about 1600 audience in the music concert. If there are 1984 students in a school, you may say that there are near about 2000 students in that school. Many times we don't tell the exact value, we tell a rounded value which is very close to the original value. Here we have done the same. Means there were the 1575 audience people were there in the auditorium, but how many we have told? We have told about 1600. Exact we have not told, we have told about 1600. And see in this example, the students were 1984, but what we have told about 2000, but we have told about 2000. When we are not telling the exact value and we are telling a rounded value, about value, that is called rounded off. You can see 1575 is rounded off to 1600 and 1984 is rounded off to 2000. While rounding off, we always use 10, 100, 1000. Why? Because these are easy to remember. Because these values with 10, 100, 1000, these are easy to remember. Rounding to a lower number is called rounding down, and rounding to a higher number is called rounding up. You can see here 1575, it is rounded off to 1600, means the value increased. That is why it will be called rounding up. Here again 1984 was there and it rounded to 2000, it increased, that's why it will be also called rounding up. Sometimes when the value decreases, coming down, then we will say rounding down. Yes, first is rounding off nearest 10. This rounding, students, you can better understand with the help of the examples. You can see first example, 4324, and you have to round to nearest tens. You have to round it to nearest tens. While doing the rounding to the nearest tens, what you will do? In 10, you can see 1 0 is there. So in this number, 1's place will be 0. 1's place digit will become 0. And nearest tens is there. So there will be the change or not the change in which digit? 10's place digit. 10's place digit will change by observing 1's place digit. If 1's place digit is 5 or more than 5, then 10's place digit will be next. If it is less than 5, then 10's place digit will remain same. Now here you can see 1's place digit is 4. It is less than 5. So 2 will remain same. 4 will become 0. 1's place will become 0. 10's place will remain same. Why? Because 1's place is less than 5. So it will remain same. And these numbers will also remain same. 3 will remain 3. 4 will remain 4 only. So you can see here 4324 is rounded down. Why down? Because it was previously 24 and now it is 20. So it is going to downside. That is why 4324 is rounded down to 4320. Nearest tens. See one more example. This number is given to you 63,245. 63,245, and you have to convert round off this to nearest tens. When you have to convert to round to nearest tens, then which digit you will see? Ones place digit we will see. If a ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, then tens place digit will be next. You can see here ones place digit is 5. It will become 0. It will become 0. Tens place digit is 4, and it will change by observing ones place. Ones place is 5, so it will become next. This digit will become next digit. From 4 it will change to 5. Now you can see other digit will remain same. 2 will remain 2, 3 will remain 3, 6 will remain 6 only. 63,245 is rounded up because from 45 it has become 50. So we will say 63,245 is rounded up to 63,250. Yes friends, see one more example. 4,893. 4,893. Nearest tens we have to convert. We will see the digit ones. Ones digit को देख के हमने tens को change करना है, and ones digit will become 0. If ones digit is 5 or more than 5, then it will become next. If it is less than 5, then tens digit will remain same. Now see, you can see 3 is less than 5, so this digit will remain same. Here in this sum it was 5, that's why this digit has become next. 4 has become 5, and in this sum 3 is less than 5, that is why 9 will remain 9 only. 4,893 is rounded down to 4,890. Now next is rounding off nearest hundreds. Rounding off nearest hundreds. When you have to do rounding off nearest hundreds, we will observe the digit tens. We will observe the digit tens. While doing rounding of nearest tens, we have observed the digit ones. While rounding of nearest 100, we will observe the digit tens. Here is example 5,635. Here you have to round it to nearest hundreds. While doing rounding nearest hundreds, we will see the digit tens. 5 will become 0, 3 will become 0. 6 will remain 6 only. Why? Because we have to see the digit tens, and tens place digit is less than 5. It is less than 5, so 6 will remain 6 only. So 5 will become 0, 3 will become 0, 6 will remain 6, no change in the 6, and there is also no change in the 5. So it is 5,600. You can say 5,635 is rounded down to 5,600. Now see one more example. 68,954. You have to convert to nearest hundreds. While doing nearest hundreds, what you will do? We will see which digit? Tens place digit. We will see tens place digit. In 100, nearest hundreds, we will see tens place digit. 4 will become 0, 5 will also become 0. Now see, nearest hundreds, we will see tens place digit. Tens place digit is 5. So there will be the change in 100 place because it is 5. It will become next. Now 9's next is 10. 9's next is 10. Now we cannot write 2 digits here. So we will write 0 only here, and 1 will be carried to 8. So 8 and 1, it will become 9, and 6 will remain 6 only. So 68,954 will be rounded to 69,000. It has increased. We will use the word up, rounded up to 69,000. Now next is rounding to nearest 1000. While rounding to nearest 1000, we will see the digit 100 place. Which digit we will see? 100 place, and by watching 100 place digit the changes may be in 1000 places. Now see 43,596 is there. 6 will become 0, 1's place will become 0, 10's place will become 0, 100 place will become 0. Now 1000 place digit is 3. It will change or it will not change. It depends upon 100 digit. If 100 place digit is 5 or more than 5, then it will change, otherwise it will not change. Now 100 place digit is 5, so obviously it will change. It will become next. 3's next is 4, so it will become 44,000. 43,596 is rounded up because it has increased from 43,596, it has become 44,000. So we will use the word up to 44,000. Now see one more example. 67,494. Nearest 1000, we will see the digit 100. It will become 0. It will also become 0. 100 will also become 0. Now 1000 place, nearest 1000 is there, so it will change by observing 100 digit. 100 digit is less than 5, so 7 will remain 7. There will be no change, and 6 will be written as it is. Now 67,494 is rounded down. We will use the word down. Why? Because 67,494 was there and it has become 67,000. That's why we will use the word down. 67,494 is rounded down to 67,000. Yes students, next is rounded to nearest 10,000. You can better understand with the help of examples. Yes, 4,49,758 is there. Nearest 10,000 you have to round it. Then which digit you will see? We will observe 1000 digit. For changing rounding to nearest 10,000, we will see one place before than that. 10,000 से पहले क्या आता है? 1000. We will observe only this digit. Yes. 1's place will become 0, 10's place will become 0, 100 place will become 0, 1000 place will also become 0. Now 1000 place digit is 9. It is more than 5. So 4 will become 5. 10,000 digit will become 5 because it is more than 5. So there will be the change in this digit. It will become 5. It will become next. It will become 5. 4,50,000. Now 4,49,758 is rounded up to 4,50,000. Now see one more example. 57,876. Now for 10,000, rounding to nearest 10,000, we will observe the digit 1000 place. Yes, 6 will become 0, 7 will become 0, 8 will become 0, 7 will also become 0, and 5. 5 depends upon which digit? 1000 place digit. 1000 place digit is more than 5. That's why this will become next. And 5's next is 6. It will become 60,000. 57,876 is rounded up to 60,000. Why we have used the word up? I think now you have understood, because its value is increased. It has become from 57 to 60,000. That's why we will use the word up. Now see one more example. 4,32,106. To nearest 10,000 we should round at. Then we will see the digit on 1000 place. It will become 0, this will become 0, this will become 0, this will become 0. Now 10,000 place digit is 3 and 1000 place digit is 2. This digit is less than 5. This digit is less than 5. So 3 will remain 3 only. We will write 3 here and 4 will also be written as it is. 4,32,106 is rounded to 4,30,000. Now see one more special example. In this one number we will round to nearest tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. The number is 4,34,985. When we are rounding this to nearest tens, what number we will get? 5 will become 0. We will observe the digit ones. While rounding to nearest tens, we will observe the digit ones place digit. If it is 5 or more than 5, then tens will become next. Now it is 5, so tens place digit will become next digit. Now 5 will become 0, 8 will become 9. These digits we will write as it is. Now which number you will get? 4,34,985. 90. Here we will use which word? Rounded up. Which word will use? Rounded up. Now see nearest hundreds. For nearest hundreds, we will observe the digit of tens place. We will observe the digit of tens place. 5 will become 0. Tens place will become 0. So tens place digit is more than 5. So 100 place digit will become next. If it is more than 5, then 9 will become 10. 9 will become 10, but we cannot write here 10. So we will write 0 here and 1 will be carried forward on the next digit. 4 and 1, 5. Here 3, here 4. Now 4,35,000 is rounded. Now you can see here which word you will use, rounded up or rounded down. We will use here rounded up, because from 4,34,985 it has become 4,35,000. So we will use rounded up word for this. Now nearest 1000. Now nearest 1000, what you will do? For the 1000 we will see the digit of 100 place. We will see the digit of 100 place. It will become 0. This will become 0. This will become 0. For the 1000 rounding, we will use the digit of 100 place. It is more than 5. So 4 will become next. If it is more than 5, so this will become next digit. 4's next digit is 5. So here will be 5. 3 will remain same. 4 will also remain same. So we will get 4,35,000. And for the nearest 10,000, what you will see? For the nearest 10,000, we will observe the digit of 1000 place. 5 will become 0, 8 will become 0, 9 will become 0. 1000 place digit is less than 5, so 10,000 will remain same. 10,000 place digit will remain same. Yes, now 5 will become 0, 8 will become 0, 9 will become 0 and 4 will become 0. 3 will remain 3. Why? Because 1000 place digit is less than 5. So and 4 will be written as it is, 4,30,000. Students, hopefully you have understood this concept. Yes, do the practice of the sums of given in the assignment. Don't leave any gap. Thank you. Have a beautiful day ahead.